Today we're going to be making this perfect pizza. Hi everyone, I'm Vincenzo van nNea in Amsterdam, and in the last 2 weeks I showed you how to make dough, how to make a more simple dough, a dough with a little bit more steps, and now we're going to stretch a pizza made with the more complicated dough. For this pizza we roasted the tomatoes, we grilled the paprika, and we also grilled some of the artichokes. We're going to combine them together for absolute taste. So here we have our sauce, which we prepared before. Nice and rich. You can still see all the burned parts of the tomatoes, which is what is going to give us that roasting taste that we seek. I'm gonna remove some of the bigger pieces. And if you want to know how to make this sauce, check the video description for it. So we're now going to make it nice and even. This sauce is pretty rustic, so you know, it's not like a smooth sauce, but that's what we like about it, because it has all the sort of character from something that has been on the fire, and that's what we aimed for this. We're going to lay our paprika peppers, smoked provolone on it, or you can use just simple mozzarella, regular mozzarella. This one is smoked. We're going to add the artichokes, and we're almost ready to go baking. So now, what I usually do, I don't go like this under the pizza, but I let the pizza go to the pizza peel. This is because I'm controlling my actions way more than if I just go like this, I might damage the disc and we need to start all over again. So we make sure that there is a little bit of dusting of the semola, not too much, because if it's going to burn, we're gonna taste it. And we do exactly like this. We just position it in the middle. Gonna make sure that our big green egg is at 300 degrees with the stone at 295. So we're going to go for it. And guys, if I don't show it like properly inside, it's only because I know what I'm doing and I'm placing it right in the middle, but you can do it very, very gently. You don't have to do that crazy move. For the preparation of this pizza, we cooked the tomatoes, resulting into a sort of reduction of these tomatoes. But we could also go for a very simple, plain passata, or if you want to use some peeled plum tomatoes, also fine. This, of course, adds one more level of depth to our flavors. So let's check this beauty. As expected, very nice pizza. You can see it's really nice and developed here. And we're going to finish it with some pecorino romano. But first, some nice extra virgin olive oil so that the cheese can actually stick to the pizza even more. Ready for cutting? So now you know how to make the perfect pizza for real. And this is my last video, and don't forget to check the video description, and I hope you enjoy it.